Mabuhay and welcome to Titay. In the southwestern part of the Philippines, we supply rice in the entire province. Titay is not just a geographical land, it is a tapestry woven with the threads of our history, traditions, and creativity. From the beautiful landscapes of nature to vibrant colors of our heritage and culture. Wow, Titay! See Sibugay. Love Sibugay.
Wow, Titay! Wow, Titay! Wow, Titay! Titay!
Dali na kamudiri, saksihan ta kini ang kaanindot sa kinaiyahan. Dali na suruyon ta, dali na maglipay ta, dali na suliton ta ang paraiso ta. May samay mong kanindot, o pinalanggan na mong titay. Wow, titay, wow, titay, ipasigar buka. Wow, titay, buktong bahandiga. Wow, titay, bisag asa ka punta, magmaya gayo ka. Kay walay sama ang paraiso ta. May katauhan pa nga abi-abihon ta, at di manunggit ka busa at tunata. May samay mong kanindot, o pinalanggan na mong titay. Wow, titay, ipasigar buka. Wow, titay, buktong bahandiga. Dali na sa Tagrila Falls, Balangasan kay Green Valley, maligo sa Dalisay Falls, tabuan sa Bagsakan.
Malabog Leksyon sa Kitabog, Cobaco Falls, Kasahiya sa Parque.
Wow, titay, wow, titay, wow, titay. Wow, titay, ipasigar buka. Wow, titay, buktong bahandiga. Wow, titay, ipasigar buka. Titay, buktong bahandiga. Wow, titay.
The rice industry speaks of our farmers' hard work, passion, and perseverance. Being one of the largest agricultural land in the province, Titay takes pride for being the rice granary of Zamboanga Sibugay while keeping the traditional farming alive. As we give thanks to the Almighty for the good and abundant harvest, Naragsakan Festival was created. A true measure of a genuine Titayanan culture. Awisik na kayo amin ang makipagramba iti Naragsakan Festival meditoy ili na titay. Wow, titay! Kitaen Sibugay. Ayaten Sibugay.
Naragsakan